Alright, I'm in the middle of my wall project using the Massey Ferguson GC720 or 1720, and I started noticing something. I've got about I'm at 98 hours, and I've started noticing that the reverse is just getting slower. So basically I've checked everything on the tractor, checked fluids, etc. And either A, the hydrostat's kind of breaking in, or B, I've got an adjustment knob problem. On this reverse, and I'll give you a close-up shot, basically they have like a 9/16, I believe it looks like a 9/16 or half-inch bolt that basically stops the reverse from going full on. And I know when I bought the tractor, it wasn't quite full speed forward and reverse. In other words, they weren't quite equal, but they were pretty close. Right now, I have difficulty in high getting the tractor to even back up in some places. So I'm going to take a look at that and see if that's moved. Look at my operator's manual and see if it's got anything about the adjustment. But I suspect that I need to give this a quick adjustment just to increase productivity while I'm moving gravel. I'm going to go get some tools and we'll get started. Okay, on my particular tractor, this is the reverse, and there's a bolt and a catch nut, and as you can see, it wasn't super loose, but I could turn it with my fingers. So what I assume's happened is during vibration, that's bolt vibrated out a little bit and has changed my reverse limit. So basically all you got to do to check yours and make sure that it's not, you shouldn't be able to turn it by hand. To basically change it, you just basically back this rear nut off, and then you can turn the bolt wherever you'd like it to be. I'm just going to make a couple of incremental adjustments, get the camera moved back here, and we'll give it a look. Getting closer. Okay, we're going to call that a success. It looks like the bolt had actually worked quite a ways out. It's fairly fine adjustments. It's not anything that's like super sensitive, but definitely I probably moved the bolt up probably about 1/4 inch. So it's backed out quite a bit while I've been using it, I think. But now it's just like it was when I first bought it. So real happy that it was a quick fix. If you have this trouble in your tractor, just be sure to check, fluid levels, things like that. Check all your other linkages and make sure nothing's loose before you go adjusting the bolt. On mine, I've got about 1/4 inch of thread showing on the bolt, so if that helps you out. I don't know how consistent these are from tractor to tractor, but that's what I've got sticking out as far as the thread goes. So basically, you've got a bolt, and then you got thread showing, and then you got a nut that's on it. So with it all tightened down, I've got about 1/4 inch of the thread showing. Anyway, hope you like the videos. I'm going to get back to it here and get this wall built. And if you have any questions or anything, just drop me a line. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.